Hey, everyone! The new iOS is out now, and its latest features always make people eager to try it. If you're trying to upgrade and wondering how long it takes, or why your update seems stuck forever, don't worry, I've got you. Today, I'll break down the details and show you how to speed things up. If you want a faster and straightforward update, you can update your phone with a computer. Now, let's go. Normally, when we update iPhone, just go into General in Settings, then to Software Update, and enabling the update will be fine. The iOS 18 update will take 30 to 60 minutes to complete. You'll go through 3 steps: download, installation, and initial setup. However, if Apple's servers are overloaded, especially right after release, it might take longer. Now, if you want to speed up the process, here are a few things you can do. First, make sure you're on a fast Wi-Fi network instead of using cellular data. If your network connection is often unstable, go to General and go to Transfer or Reset iPhone. Then reset network settings to refresh the connection. Then, reconnect to Wi-Fi and check if that helps. Also, free up at least 10 GB of storage, so your iPhone doesn't slow down during installation. If your phone is full, you can update it with a computer. But what if your update gets stuck? Try restarting your iPhone. After that, you can delete the half-downloaded update profile and try again to see if that helps. If that doesn't work or you want a faster and straightforward update, you can use a computer-based tool like ReiBoot to directly update your phone with the latest iOS. This will download the official iOS file and update your phone directly, which is fast and easy and doesn't take up any of your iPhone's storage. I will leave the download link in the description. Okay, let me know in the comments if you're upgrading and if you run into any issues. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips, and I'll see you in the next one.